Speed. Speed is a scalar quantity, meaning that it only has size. Meaning that if you had a speed of 36.3 seconds, that's all you had. You don't even know where you were running, you know. So you just had that time, which is the size. Now you say speed is equal to the distance covered in a specific time. And see my hot drawing over here. She has a ponytail and she's running and she's being timed from the time she started to when she stopped. Okay. Now usually you would have the distance and you would have the time. But when you have problems that just give you maybe one or the other of each of the three variables, you're going to have to know how to transpose. And again, the problem is very simple. You only have three variables, which is speed, distance, and time. Now suppose I only want to find out distance. Suppose I didn't have any distance, but I have the speed and the time. What am I going to do? Of course, S over 1 equals to D over T. And so I would move the T upwards because it's in the denominator. And I would end up with S times T equals to D. Or D equals to ST. Right? Now suppose I want to find time, which is T. Again, we have S equals to T over D. T is in the denominator, right? So I want to find time. So again, I have to move T up. Gotta move T up. I'm going to end up with ST equals to D. However, even though that T is in the numerator, it has a friend. So it's not by itself. You need to get T by itself. So S, you gotta get rid of S. Put everything over 1. S moves below. So therefore T is equal to D, distance over S. Right? Which pretty much solves the equation. So once again, S is equals to distance over time. D will be equal to speed times time, and time will be equal to distance over speed. Right? Cool stuff. And all you have to do, you're gonna see all my videos, and all you really have to do is to keep at it. Keep struggling, keep trying, but work smart. Once you have this in your head, you don't have to think about it again. Once you know how to transpose, you don't have to think about it again. So you wouldn't have to learn every single thing and stick it in your head and then muddle up your head. No. Once you learn the operation, you wouldn't have to worry about S equal to D over T. And I got to remember, I have to memorize that D is equal to S times T, and I have to memorize that T is equal to D over S. That is poppycock. That will not save you in the exam room. Your mind needs space for other important things. Alright, so learn this.